Hi, my name is Gefen and I'm the course coordinator for fashion at the University of Bedfordshire. I've been teaching for a few years now and I've taught in different institutions. I used to be a menswear designer, I had my own brand, and after a few years of doing that I realised that actually what I wanted to really do is focus on academia, teaching but also exploring through research. So here at the university, we try to create a inclusive environment. We work with students who are local, but also students from across the country who come here and are looking for this kind of small town experience where they can really focus on their studies. Part of how we do that is by allowing them to, on the one hand, receive all their design skills, but on the other hand, receive all these skills that they may have needed in terms of drawing, draping, sewing, and all these kind of basic skills that they may need a leveling up in. We have about 2 to 3 days of actual kind of practical work in the studio that you would expect kind of throughout the years. That allows you a lot of kind of independent work that we expect you to kind of do things that we've discussed in the studio and explore on your own, and then come back and show it to us, to the staff and the peers, and really receive feedback and be able to progress from that. We work on design work, practical work through panel cutting, construction and sewing, and we also look at kind of visualization skills through graphic design, computer-aided design and illustration work. We believe that collaborating between industry and kind of academia is really important. So we bring guest lectures, we talk about, we have collaboration units that we work with external partners, brands and other companies to establish live briefs where the students can really experience a hands-on design project. We have people coming in and talking about garments, accessories, trend forecasting, and some of the basic tenets of fashion design that really kind of enriches the students' work. Also, we bring back alumni who help us in the studio and also talk about their own journeys through our Wow Wednesday program, which is more about employability. And we kind of want to continue that link between when you started and how you finished. We don't want our students to just go away. We like to have a community. So Wow Wednesday is it's called the World of Work, and it's a weekly session that we have a guest lecturer that comes and talks to the whole school about their practice. The idea is to really show how their skills and what they're learning is applied in the real world, and to see other people in their practice and to learn from other people's way of doing things. We've had really great results with this, and students have reacted quite positively, and we bring people from across the spectrum of the creative fields to talk to students about different aspects. We've had people work in design, we've had people work in technical departments as buyers, as merchandisers, as technicians, as technical staff, as designers, and also as illustrators and photographers. So the gamut is quite wide. You can collaborate with people in the school. We have amazing facilities in terms of everyone gets their own kind of desk and they're able to work on their own mannequin and sewing machine. So you really get that kind of space to explore and something that you can put your stuff. There are lockers and you can go and come back and not have to lug everything with you like in some other places. One of our biggest strengths is that we are small, and by being small we're able to give students a lot more contact time and to really give them that hands-on experience that they may not receive with the large universities. I believe that when students have that kind of small personal approach, they feel a lot more seen and heard, which is both good for their professional as well as mental well-being, and it's proven itself. We can see that people really appreciate that.